Well, here in Fairbanks, a spring ritual that we have is to come out to Kramer's Field. There's the old Kramer's Dairy building. And this is a big bird refuge. You won't believe the amount of geese, ducks, sandhill cranes, all different kinds of birds that come. There's the sign right there. Kramer's Field Migratory Waterfowl Refuge. So basically this big field over here, there's all the pictures of the birds. Here, I'll take a picture of that. I don't know if that's a bus stop or what. I think it is. But there's the field right there. And this thing is just covered with thousands of birds. And here's the types of birds. All the different ducks and pigeons, and then over here you got the sandhill cranes, Canada geese, white-fronted geese, snow geese, and then we have a lot of seagulls and a lot of owls, hawks. Pretty cool. So yeah, here pretty soon all the snow will be gone and there will be all kinds of birds in here.